how to make money with the CryptoTab browser. Now this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial, and I'm going to show you how ordinary everyday people are using the CryptoTab mining browser to earn completely passive Bitcoin while they are simply searching the web. Now if this sounds like something you are interested in and you would like to learn more about this, keep watching this video as I'm going to break everything down, show you how this works, how much money you can actually make, and finally how you can make money with this tab as soon as today. Now if you want to sign up and start making money with the CryptoTab browser, if you go down there and use my link in the description, you will get a completely free bonus when you sign up with CryptoTab. So hopping over to cryptotab.net, this says earn bitcoins while using your browser. So CryptoTab is the world's first browser with a built-in mining function, which is absolutely awesome and sounds pretty crazy. With CryptoTab, you earn cryptocurrency just by visiting your favorite sites, watching videos and chatting online. Now, if you guys have heard of the Brave browser, it's kind of similar as you can get Brave rewards. However, on the Brave browser, you only get BAT token, which is pretty worthless. I have 11 BAT and it's only worth $4. On the CryptoTab browser, you are going to get paid out in Bitcoin, which is absolutely crazy and makes it far more valuable than the Brave browser. Now, as you can see here, blazing fast and lightweight browser. I've used this browser before and it is super sleek and easy to use. Built-in CryptoTab mining features, user-friendly customizable interface, which I really like to be able to customize my browsers, and you can sync data across all of your devices. Now this is available on your iPhone, it's available on Windows, it's available on Mac, and it is available on Android, so you can use this on absolutely any device you may own. Now right down here you can watch a brief explanation videos, and this is a short promo video to show you how CryptoTab works. So you can see the 2-in-1 solution, browse and mine at the same time with ease. Synchronize your browser data, built-in mining algorithm, increases your mining speed up to 8 times compared to extension format, which is something I really like. A 10-level referral system, payouts straight to your Bitcoin wallet anytime, so there is no set limit on how much you can actually withdraw. I know with a lot of these, they have a ridiculous limit where you can't actually withdraw your Bitcoin until you have 1 or 2 Bitcoin in your account, which is ridiculous and something I'm really glad CryptoTab does not have. You can get more than a Bitcoin by developing your network and getting more rewards. So right here, let's take a look at the payments journal, and you can see guys just how much people are making with CryptoTab. So you can see that these are the CryptoTab wallet addresses, and you can go down and see all of these different payments. Now you can see that there is a whole different list of people who are getting paid out in Bitcoin. Now you can see that these are small increments of Bitcoin. They are not a crazy amount. However, keep in mind guys that this definitely does add up over time. So what we can even do is click on check status, and we can see that this is all completely legit, and this is proof that these transactions are real and they are going to real Bitcoin wallets. So you can take a look at all of these payments guys, and you can just scroll through forever and ever and ever and go to these different pages. But if we go back, you can also see some testimonials on YouTube. All of these people have used this browser. As I said, CryptoTab browser for mobile devices, so you can use this on your iPhone or your Android. And they also have the very first NFTs from CryptoTab. And I'll tell you what guys, I haven't actually seen these yet, so these are going to be interesting. And I'm not quite sure what the use case of these are. Maybe you are going to be able to mine Bitcoin faster if you own an NFT. However, I'm sure we will find out. So down here you can see the CryptoTab News Center, and you can read all about CryptoTab and the news here. So what we can do is click on cancel. And what we can do is let's go ahead and learn more about this. And right here, this is where we can actually go ahead and install this browser. Now, one other thing that I want to show you before we download this and I show you around the website is this extra Bitcoin with affiliate program. So because of the affiliate program, guys, what I highly recommend you do is once you have signed up with CryptoTab is you can send your affiliate link out to friends and family, and I also recommend that you send them this video as well. And by doing this, they will also be able to understand what CryptoTab is and understand that you can earn Bitcoin for completely free just by browsing the internet. So I highly recommend that you send them your affiliate link, and that means you will be able to earn even more money. So let's go ahead and install this on my computer, and I will show you exactly how this works. So you can see that this is installed. Let's open this up and we can go ahead and click agree. This is now connecting to the internet and waiting to download. So what we are going to do, guys, is we are just going to wait a few seconds for this to download, and you can see that this is now complete. We are now installing this, and boom, just like that, guys, we have the CryptoTab browser. So let's just go through this first. Grow your mining network up to 10 levels. So this is talking about the affiliate program. Just by inviting just a few people, you can significantly increase your income. As I said, guys, highly recommend that you send this out to friends and family. Now, long-term income, you will get an additional percentage of your referrals mining income. Now, once you have done this, guys, let's click on this C up here, the CryptoTab, and this is going to take us over to the mining area. Right here, you can see that this is the mining area, and we can turn on the mining. So turn on mining right here. So let's turn on mining just like this, and you can see that this is starting up. Let's just wait for that to happen, and let's wait for it to start up, and you can see that we are now mining Bitcoin. What we can also do is flick on NFT mining just like this, and you can see already we are starting to mine Bitcoin. And right here, where it says join us in social media to grow your mining network, this is going to allow you to share your code if you would like anybody to start mining Bitcoin with you. And if we scroll down here, you can see the CryptoTab tips and news. This is just going to give you a little bit more information about this whole software and how it works. So you can go down here, and there is actually quite a lot of interesting stuff that comes up. So you can even adjust your mining speed right here, and it tells you exactly how to do this. And by clicking allow notifications up here, guys, you can also earn even more Bitcoin. Another thing that you can do, and I probably should have mentioned this, is when you actually start mining your Bitcoin. Let me just show you guys when this actually loads up. Okay, so you can see that we are only mining a small bit of Bitcoin, and as we crank this up, you can see that this is adjusting, and the further up we go, the more Bitcoin we are going to be able to mine. You can see the hash rate is given right here, and I just want to turn this off so my voice doesn't go jittery. That's the only thing I noticed with this, is sometimes when I'm mining, my voice goes a little bit jittery, which you may have heard earlier in the video. However, in terms of general computer performance, it doesn't really affect anything too badly, so it is completely safe to use. Now, you may be wondering how you can withdraw funds. Once again, there is a tip down here that shows you exactly how to do this, and you can click on check balance, of course, and right here is going to show you your Bitcoin balance. Now, making money through the CryptoTab browser is an absolutely awesome way to make money online. However, in my opinion, the best way to make money online is through a business model called affiliate marketing. Now, this is what I did, and in my first month, I made $7.2 thousand. If you want to learn exactly how I did this, you can click the first link down in the description. I made a video and I will tell you more about it. Now, that is how you can make money with the CryptoTab browser. Thank you for watching.